Hello and welcome to Yoga Fit with Ed and Ross. I'm Adria and today we are going to talk about Chandra Namaskar in detail. How to perform Chandra Namaskar with steps, what are the benefits of Chandra Namaskar and precautions of Chandra Namaskar. First, let's know what is Chandra Namaskar. Chandra Namaskar, also known as Moon Salutation, is a variation of Surya Namaskar in yoga. Chandra Namaskar consists of sequence of yoga postures that are performed in a flowing manner. The exact sequence may vary depending on the yoga tradition or teacher, but it generally involves a series of standing, kneeling and seated poses. While Surya Namaskar is associated with energizing and activating the body, Chandra Namaskar focuses on cooling and calming the body and mind. That's why it is considered more beneficial during the summers. Chandra Namaskar is a form of yoga that emphasizes soft, fluid motions that help the body feel calm and relaxed. The position's relaxing impact on hot summer days comes from their leisurely, graceful movement, which aids in releasing excess heat and tension. If your Pitta dosha is higher than Vata and Kapha dosha, it helps in balancing Pitta dosha. As per Ayurveda, summer tends to see an increase in the fire and heat related Pitta dosha in our body. Chandra Namaskar helps balance the sun's extreme heat and fiery energy by harmonizing with lunar energy, which is especially important during the summer or whenever you feel your body needs to be cooled down. It calms the mind, reducing the stress and anxiety. We will talk about the precautions as well as the benefits of each and every step we are going to perform. But first, let's learn how to do Chandra Namaskar. Standing on the right edge of your mat, keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. Position your palm in Brahma Mudra, right palm on the left placed below your belly button. Inhale and lift both arms up from your side to form Tadasana. Now exhale, bend to your right, come to Tiryak Tadasana. Inhale, come to the center, exhale, bend to your left, forming Tiryak Tadasana. Inhale, come to the center and form Tadasana again. Now lift your left leg, place it as far as you can from the right leg. Exhale and get into Utkat Konasana. Inhale, come up, exhale and squat to form Utkat Konasana again. And up and then again Utkat Konasana. Inhale and come to Veerbhadrasana now. Look to your right, exhale and bend to your right. Come to Trikonasana. Inhale, come up, exhale to your left. Now get to Parshvattanasana. Inhale and form Asvasanchalan. Exhale and flow into Anjaneyasana. Inhale and form Asvasanchalana. Now exhale and form Skandasana on your left. Move to the middle, getting into Prasarit Paduttanasana. Support with hands to the ground. Exhale and lift your hands off the ground. Inhale and hands on the ground again. Exhale and come to Skandasana on your right side. Inhale and form Asvasanchalana on your right. Exhale, lift your hands to form Anjaneyasana. Inhale, come back to Asvasanchalana. Exhale and get into Parshvattanasana, the pyramid pose. Form Trikonasana to your left now. Come to Veerbhadrasana. Now get into Utkat Konasana, the goddess squat. Exhale down, inhale up, down and get back to Tadasana, moving to your right, getting your right leg close to the left leg. Stand straight. Exhale to your right, form Tiryak Tadasana. Inhale, stand in Tadasana. Exhale and bend to your left. Inhale, get back to the Tadasana and Namaskar. So now you all know how to do Chandra Namaskar. If you have been following my channel and following the asanas, practicing them regularly, you may have already got an idea, looking at the yoga asana flow in Chandra Namaskar, how beneficial it can be. Let me tell you, it helps in opening the hips. Practicing Chandra Namaskar helps open the hips deeper, increasing flexibility with stretching of the hamstrings, quadriceps, pelvis and gluteus maximus, the buttocks muscle. It opens the heart with stretching of the shoulders, arms. Practicing Chandra Namaskar brings a complete chakra balance. The first three chakras are stimulated with the hip opening and forward bend poses. The fourth and the fifth chakra are stimulated with the back bend, opening of the shoulders and arms. And finally, the last three chakras are stimulated with the forward bends and side bends. With each body position, the chakras play an important role. It opens the channels for easy flow of energy and balancing the body. Since the entire body is stretched, along with activating the chakras, various systems in our body are also in balance, like respiratory, circulatory, digestive, reproductive and nervous system. It essentially cools and calms the body from time to time. Hence, women can benefit from this practice to improve their health and fertility. It also increases the level of energy with a slow and gradual progress towards balance and stability. Since the practice of moon salutation is about cooling the body and its various systems include the chakras, it helps to ease and comfort the stress levels in the body by reducing the anxiety level. So you can also consider this yoga as a therapy for depression, also elevates insomnia. Whenever you do Chandra Namaskar or moon salutation posture, you should do it in the direction of the moon. This is only beneficial. Also, do not stress more than your ability. Not good for the people who have back pain. Pregnant women should not do this asana. If a person's backbone breaks due to any reason, they should not practice it. You need to take the advice from your doctor first. I hope you all are happy to learn something new today and will practice it every day. I'll see you next week. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, keep practicing yoga every day.